Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
No leader
Subscribe
is
to this
success,
channel.
no matter how many
press
brick and
like.
mortar.
When you subscribe, you'll be able to get
Or steel and
notifications each time we post.
How many
Okay?
concrete you
We
put
love you
around?
guys.
How much of it that you build? If you don't build successful generation of leaders that will follow you, you are failed. And that is what we must say, what we must drive, what we must communicate to the current generation of leaders. I'm very proud. I am a talent hunter. I hunt for good talents of Nigerians and I have them all over. And I'm still doing the best. If you don't allow the talent, the creativity, the initiative to blossom in a society, you wasted the generation, you wasted your own history. You wasted a nation. You have to build a nation of patriotic young youths to really transform the society. If you don't look for brilliant, talented young people to be in the National Assembly and make good laws, you are bound to obey the law made by foolish people that don't work for your society. So you have to really work hard at it. It's not where an individual comes from. It's the amount of knowledge that they can impact in the society and the citizenship, the patriotic sense of the nation. Which way to go?